Hey guys, before USB came into existence, computers were equipped with serial and parallel ports to plug devices into the computer and transfer data. Individual ports were used for peripherals such as keyboards, mice, joysticks, and printers. Expansion cards and custom drivers were often required to connect the devices. Parallel ports transfer data at approximately 100 kilobytes per second, whereas serial ports range from 115 to more than 450 kilobytes per second. Some ports could not run simultaneously, that these snags were eradicated with the introduction of the USB technology. The first USB technology began development in 1994, co-invented by Ajay Bhatt of Intel and the USB-IF. The organization is comprised of industry leaders like Intel, Microsoft, Compaq, LSI, Apple, and Hewlett Packard. It supports and adopts comprehensive specifications for all aspects of the USB technology. Since the introduction, we have seen the technology grow from USB 2.0 to USB 3.0 with an attendant increase in data transfer speed and other benefits. The USB promoter group is now planning to release the USB 4.0. The new standard is based on Intel's Thunderbolt protocol and supports a range of features, including data transfer rates of up to 40 GB per second, display interfaces, and power delivery. The new interface is said to still retain the USB Type-C connector and will maintain backwards compatibility with USB 2.0, USB 3.2, and Thunderbolt 3 interfaces. Furthermore, the USB 4.0 will support a maximum data transfer rate of 40 GB per second over 40 GB per second certified cables.